How to use Grabpay wallet to pay Grabpay. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Grabpay wallet to pay Grabpay. To start, open the Grabpay app on your mobile device. Grabfood allows users to order food from a wide range of restaurants and eateries and have it delivered to their doorstep. Once you're in, tap on Payment from the bottom dashboard. Tap on Let's Go to give your consent to activate your Grabpay wallet. Activating Grabpay wallet comes with different benefits, including earning Grab Rewards points with every transaction and getting access to the best deals on your rides, food, and online shopping. Here, enter your full name. After that, choose an identity document. You can use MyCat or a passport for the verification process. Enter a 12-digit number, and don't worry, your personal information will be protected by Grabpay. After a verification process, your wallet will be activated. Now go ahead and select whatever food you want to order from here. Select your meal and customize it as per your preferences. Once you're done, tap on the Add to Basket option. It is advised to double-check your order before ordering. After that, scroll down and tap on Payment Method. Select your way of payment as wallet. After that, enter your wallet details, and your order will be done within a few minutes. That's how you can use Grabpay wallet to pay Grabpay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.